And so if you guys have made it this far, you guys all know why. So as you've been seeing this whole week, I posted, okay, I didn't post all week, but I posted one post specific in regards to the title. If you're already seen the title, then you know what I'm talking about. It's the BOXYLUXE. Now, tell me why they send me a BOXYLUXE, but it says BOXYCHARM. Of course, it's by BOXYCHARM, but I mean, typically when they send you a BOXYLUXE, it says that on there, but it just, I don't know, they send it as this. So, you guys, I'm excited for this. The first of many, and looking forward to it. So, let's go ahead and dig in to see what we got. Gosh, my hair is like everywhere, guys. Like, what the heck? Okay. So, let's see what we have. Let me go ahead and just open this. This is like huge, you guys. Huge. Okay. So, for those of you who are first on this BOXYCHARM, BOXYLUXE, so they send you, they always send you a postcard. They always send you a sheet like this that literally tells you what items you're getting and the cost and, you know, what they're valued at. And honestly, when you get this, you guys are gonna love it. They're always full size. So let's get started. Oh, I love how they wrap this. Look at this. I can pop these, you guys. Oh, no, they're not poppable. Oh, whatever. Okay, so let's put that. Let's put this on. So the first thing that we have here, you guys, is a Park Avenue Princess palette. Look at this, you guys. I absolutely love the packaging. It's really eye-catching. So as you can see, I'm not really wearing much makeup. I just really have eyeliner and just didn't really do. I did the minimal. Why? Because I really want to try some of these things. So let's see what this has. So weird. Okay, so yeah, that's the packaging. And there's like a cardboard to keep it steady, I guess. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Oh my god, look at that. And let's go ahead and open this. Oh wow. Chiseled like a diamond. Look at these, you guys. Can you really see them? Okay, there you go. So this is crown, angle, princess cut, carrots. Like this is like carrot, like 24 karat kind of carrot, not carrot that you eat. Enhance and halo. So this is a Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette, and this is like more like highlighters for bronzing, contour. So these are like light highlighters. These can be used to contour. This is like a bronzer. I really do see me using these, and honestly, this bronzer is calling me. It's like telling me you gotta use me. So let me just pull everything out, you guys, and then we're gonna see what we can do with these items. Okay, so the next, oh, I'm sorry, and this item I didn't even mention, you guys. So Park Avenue Princess palette. This one is by Tarte, of course, and this is valued at $45. Wow. Yes, you guys, totally worth it. Okay, so the next item is, wow, you guys, Violet Voss. Yeah, Violet Voss, literally the V as in Victor. Violet Voss, look at this. So Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is like absolutely beautiful. So it comes with cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, black, cinnamon, plum berry. Oh, the plum berry looks nice. There's dusty rose pink. Dusty rose is gorgeous, you guys. These colors here could be used like as transitioning colors. This could be like inner corners, eyelid, center of the lid. Oh, this emerald color is everything. We should do a look with this, you guys. It would be nice. Oh my gosh. This terracotta color, I could really use that for fall, because you know fall is right around the corner. Literally is right around the corner. So I love the how it just fits in your hand. Like it's like very handy. Like it's just, I like the size. Like it's perfect. Not that I don't like the bigger palettes, of course, they come with a lot more. I mean, I love them too. So, okay. Now, let's see what else we have. So, it also comes with Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science. It's a hydrobiotic. So, it's a sleeping mask. So, this, you guys, I guess it's a mask that you can actually, let me open this. You can actually put it on and you can sleep on it. Like, don't have to take it off. You can just sleep on it and that's it. It does the magic. Look at how cute this is. It's like a little, I don't know if you can see. Can you see this, you guys? Like, I don't know if it's the, okay, so this is what this looks like. So it's a hydrobiotic, I'm sorry, recovery sleeping mask. So this is supposed to be, you apply the mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly for all skin types. So it's a recovering sleeping mask. So what is this supposed to do? Hydrating recovery sleeping mask. Oh, so it deeply hydrates and moisturizes and reduces redness and of signs of irritation. Locks in the moisture and to prevent water loss. Wow, I didn't know. I mean, I know we lose water weight, but I mean, that's so weird. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside. Let's put this container over here. Okay, oh, and you know what? Why do I keep forgetting, you guys? So the hydro, you know what? I didn't even tell you, you guys. It's just, I'm so excited. Like, there's so many things in here. So the Violet Voss, you guys, the Violet Voss is valued at $29. So that's a really good deal right here. Okay, so the hydrobiotic is actually valued at $52. So, dude, that must be really good. I mean, this is supposed to be like a full size, or maybe like the small. I don't know how many ounces is this. It's 1.7 ounce. Wow. So this must be really, really good. I mean, it's valued at $52. Yeah, that's a plus. Okay, so that's that. And then we have, ooh, we have an eyeliner. Look at this. So this eyeliner is a Hank and Henry. Slick with it. Oh, that's so cool. Slick with it. Long wear liquid eyeliner. Wow, it even shows the ingredients in here. This is pretty cool. Like, I really like, it's like a rose gold at the tip. Like, it's really cool. So let's open this up. Gosh. You know, I never get my nails this long, but I was just like, let's try. How do girls, literally, how do you even, like, how do you even have nails this long? Like, what do you do? Like, you know, I'm pretty sure I gotta go get them reduced and get them shorter, because I can't. I just cannot. I mean, I love them long, but okay. So let's look at the tip. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. The tip, you guys. So let's try. See how this looks. Oh wow, you guys. This is the blackest black, and it's nice. It's like almost like it's like a brush tip, like, but it's like you can't. Can you move the bristles? It looks like you can. I don't know, but I am living for this. Is this removable? Like, let's see. my gosh, you guys. I'm barely getting anything on my nail. Like, yeah, we gotta try that. So this eyeliner, where did I even put it now? Dude, I just lost it. How did I just lose that? Oh, I put it right here. Okay, so this Hank and Henry Slick With It, or Slick With It, this one's valued at $20. Wow, a $20 eyeliner. Wow. So, this is, the cool thing about this is it says it's introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. So our eyeliner is a vegan, you guys, liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte, which it did. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. Huh. This is awesome. It's probably gonna be one of my new favorites because I mean, it's so difficult to get good eyeliners out there that like literally stay, or you know, because this one says it dries matte, and if it does, you guys, I could see that, and it's not coming off. Like, look at this, it's not coming off. I'm living for it because, and I'm definitely gonna use this, you guys, because I love the fact that it's matte, or matted. You know, I don't like the type of eyeliners that are literally that you put it on and you see this shine and stuff or whatever. Like, I don't like that. So yeah, I'm digging this so bad, like seriously. So yeah, then again, the Hank and Henry eyeliner is $20. That's not so bad actually for what it does. Okay, so let's move on. And so now I have a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I like the package, it's really cute. So the Stila says that it's a Stay All Day liquid lipstick, $22 value. That's literally the cost of it. Now the thing about this is that you can wear it for up to 12 hours. It is enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil. Lightweight formula softens their lips and they look and feel beautiful. Definitely gonna give it a go. I'm like literally gonna try this. So let me just open this. And this is in the color Angelo. I believe it's like a light pink. Can you see that, you guys? I don't know what the lighting. I promise to fix the lighting issue. I'm just waiting on my light ring light to arrive. I have a light that I use. It's a beauty light, and it does the job from when I'm doing my makeup, but not for the camera. Like, it's just not. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Gorgeous. Okay, like, oh my gosh, I promise I'm gonna try these things on. Look at this. Oh my god, this smells, you guys, dude, I want to eat this thing. Oh my gosh, oh my god, it's like freaking candy, or like shortbread cookies with like strawberry or something. Literally, that's what it smells like. Shortbread. Okay, you know what? You know those popsicles that have like shortbread crumbs like on it, and like they're like pinkish with white. Okay, that's what it smells like. Dude, that smells good. So the Stila, like I said, is $22 value. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. So our next item is a Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm by IGQ. Can you, like, I don't know why you can't see this. Is it the lighting? Let me see. Fix this thing. Okay, so it's by IGQ. This is what this looks like. I'm a smeller. Like, I really gotta sniff this and like literally smell this. Let me see. Oh my gosh, you guys. It smells so good. And so this is a hydrating hair balm. What it does is, oh gosh, it has coconut oil. Anything with coconut oil, dude, you guys, I love it, like for the hair. So it's a leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh your hair down. So it takes care of frizzy hair, it smooths and softens your hair and hydrates your hair. So you apply it when your hair is damp, and then you can just air or blow dry your hair. Oh, I love the fact that you can just, it's a leave-in conditioner, literally. But I love the fact that this is like, it hydrates. A lot of the masks don't really do that for you. They just take care of the frizz and stuff. That's basically it. So, okay, let's look at this. So, IGK NYC Mia LA. I don't know exactly what that stands for, but it's by IGK Mistress. So this is valued at $29. Leave-in conditioner balm and won't weigh your hair down. Wow. So yeah, that's a really good deal. I mean, this is a full size, you guys. Like literally everything here is full size. So I'm loving it. Okay, so let's go to the next item. They had a lot of packaging here. This is insane. Okay, so we have a Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. So Pineapple C, brighten and smoothing. Literally. Look at this. This is what this looks like. And so this, let's open this up. Oh gosh. You know, you guys proof these things like a child's gonna open it. It's just me. Like I need to get in it. Okay, but okay, actually it's pretty good that it's really sealed properly. Okay, we got it. Okay, so this is so cute. Look at that. You can see like pineapple. Ooh, this is cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's literally pineapple all inside of it. Do you see that? That's so cute. Oh my, the box smells good too. OMG. Look at this. I'm living for this, you guys. I am living for it. Can you see that? Can you see this? This is the cutest thing ever. I'm sorry, you guys. It's such a lighting. Okay, so it's a Glow Recipe. And oh my god, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. So let's look at the pricing. So our Glow Recipe Pineapple. So this is an ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend. So it's 22% pure pineapple juice, you guys. Wow, that's a plus. One of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C, natural AHA and bromelain enzymes, and it's infused with chamomile, wow, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe and even the most sensitive skin. Vitamin E, that's a plus, dude. And then aloe, that's good. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you're standing, sit down, because I'm gonna tell you the price of this item is valued $49. Wow, you guys, this is, I'm telling you, I'm living for this BOXYLUXE. I'm loving it. Insane. So let me just move this here. It's kind of blocking my sign. Let's open it up. I really oh gosh, look at this. It's like a dripper. I don't know if you can see this. So it's like a dripper and it's like rounded and stuff. I really want to smell it. Oh my god, you guys, it has literally real pineapple juice. Wow. I want to eat this. I almost want to drink it. Gosh. Wow. This is $49. Amazing. Honestly, amazing. Speaking of thirsty, I'm thirsty. I have ice in this and it's literally melted. Anyhow, I love the packaging. Okay, so we're on our last item. Let's get to it. And now I can actually move this box away from here. Okay, so our last item. Oh my god. Sutra Beauty 32mm clipless curling iron with cool tip. You guys, if you aren't excited, I don't know what you're thinking, because girl, this is everything. This is everything. Okay, so let's open this. Ooh. Excited. Okay, so wow, it's like full size, huge, like, oh my gosh, look at this. It's a nice little packet. Does it even have like, it doesn't have gloves. It's okay, but I love the fact that this is like really thick, because I love thick, sorry, I'm burping. I love thick curls, so you guys, this is gonna be freaking perfect. I can't wait to use it. I own a flat iron somewhere. Oh, it's down here in my cabinet. I do own a flat iron. I really don't do my hair like flat. I blow dry it a lot, but I don't. But this, I can't wait to try it, because I normally do sponge curlers because they're the safest way to go. And the fastest, you know, when I don't have time, I just put them on, sleep on them, and that's it. So yeah. I love that I have warning hazard, because yeah. So I'm loving this. Okay, now let's look, you guys. It comes with, oh, they have different designs and styles and different type of things. It's pretty cool. So, and this says you guys can use this, and I'm gonna link this website below, so don't forget to look down below, and I'm gonna post this code so that you guys can use it. So if you use code BOXY25, you'll get 25% off. So I'll go ahead and post that for you guys, and this is just like basically information. And yeah, oh gosh, and it comes with like even blow dryers. I mean, it has everything, like you name it. Pretty cool. So okay, so now let's look at the value. So where is this? I forgot to put this here. Oh, here it is. Sutra clipless curling iron with a cool tip. So this clipless curling iron is the perfect tool for your beach waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, and even ringlets. So this top of the line curling iron has a ceramic heating element and is infused with titanium polished barrel. Dude, if this is ceramic and then it's polished with titanium, you guys, this is a really good material. This is gonna be like really good. And you guys, you ready? You ready for this? This curler is valued, where's the oh, right here. This curler is valued at $65. You guys, 65. Wow, what a deal. Like, I'm living for this totally. So now we've looked at everything. Now let's get to the eyeshadow. I really can't wait to just try this, you know what I mean? So I don't know that I'm gonna do a look with it, but I'm gonna do swatches so that you guys can see. So I'll do some swatches on my arm. So let's go for the Violet Vase. So Violet Vase has this emerald color right here. So we're gonna go ahead and play with my hair because, oh gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this. You guys, can you see that? Wow. Nice, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna go for gold. This is this gold color right here. And here it is. I need to get this going because, okay. Then let's go to terracotta. That's going to be our next color. Wow, you guys, this is really nice. Okay, now we're going to go to sand, which is this one right here. And that's, oh god, dude. You guys, this freaking color is nice. Like, look at this. Can you see that? Oh my god. I don't know, like, I wasn't gonna try this on, and I did say to you guys I was gonna, but after looking at this, you guys, I think I am. I have to. I just have to do a look on this. I can't, unfortunately, there's two palettes, so I really can't do both, but, or maybe I can do one look on one eye and the other one different. But so there's pink right there, and let's do dusty rose. Yeah, dusty rose is definitely like a transition color. So it's right here, this one right there. And let's do some on my hand. Let's do plum berry, which is this one right here. Let's do, oh my god, dude. Wow, I'm living for these three colors. Oh gosh, this, it's a gold. There's the emerald, gold, and plum berry. Those three right there. Oh my gosh. Violet Voss, you're killing it. Definitely killing it. Gotta move my hair. Sorry. It's just everywhere. It's like, what the heck? It's like all frizzed and stuff. Okay, so let's try cinnamon. Alright. I'm gonna try cinnamon right up here. That's cinnamon. Oh my gosh, look at this. Nice. See that cinnamon? Girl. Don't even know what you're doing. Okay, now let's see. Moment of truth. Let's see how black this black is. Because if there's a nice black eyeshadow that you can use when you go out, my gosh, you guys, dude. Look at how pigmented this is. Like, oh my gosh, like, wow. Honestly, just wow. So, okay, so this was Violet Voss. Now, let's do... Oh, you know what? So dumb. I'm like, I can't do both palettes. Yeah, I can, because this is a contouring palette, and the other one is actually... The other one, this one here, is a contour, and the other one's the eyeshadow. So guess what, guys? Yeah. Oh, I'm so freaking clueless. You know, it's just, I'm so excited, and this happens. Oh, by the way, you guys, before I get to doing the eyeshadow, I really want to thank you guys for those new people, you know, new people that subscribe. I'm so thankful. I'm so happy. You guys don't even know how happy. We're so close to hitting 3,000 subscribers. I'm actually gonna, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna do a giveaway at 3,000. So I'm so excited, you guys. Like, comments, share, subscribe, share. That's like literally, it'll just make me so happy just for you guys to do that. Honestly, I'll keep posting more and more. I'm so sorry lately. I've just been so busy. I've been here and there, and with work, I'm just so busy, so that, you know, I haven't had a chance. But let's get to it, you guys. Let's do a violet vase look. So, okay, so let me just grab, I'm gonna use, for this, I'm going to use my Luxie brush. So it's my 209 Luxie brush. And let me just move this away from here. Give me some space, because I need space. You know. And I'm going to list all the items that I have. I'm going to put them on. I think instead of linking them down below, I'm going to post a picture of this description, so that you can get, well, this item, so you can get the description of every single item on there, as well as the 25% off. So, okay, let's get to it. So, let's see, being that I'm wearing like an earth tone and it's gonna be fall, I say, I don't know, but let's go for the rose first. I'll just use this. Okay, I normally keep like a towel, or like a small towel that I use for cleaning my brush, but this is gonna work, my makeup wipey remover thingamajigger. So let me take off this plastic that's on the mirror. I like seeing the real thing, you guys. Okay, so as you can see, I've already had my eyebrows done, my eyeliner, I have eyeliner on, lashes, you name it. I don't have lipstick on, and I intentionally did that because I'm gonna wear this. So I gotta do something soft because I want to wear this lipstick, but let's go dramatic. Let's do, oh my gosh, you guys, I really want to use that emerald, but then the plum berry is calling me, but let's just try this. So let's go for the Dusty Rose. So let's do that on the transitioning. Now it's going to be a little difficult because I have eyeliner on already, so this is transitioning color. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am living for this shadow. Like, it totally looks different, like it really stands out. There is a little bit of fallout when I'm grabbing this. How do I show you? Let me cover this with that so you don't get blinded. So when I'm grabbing the shadow, I don't know if you can really see it from there, but there's a lot of, not a lot, I would say lightly fallout. So I'm literally just tapping to grab eyeshadow. So this is going to be my transition color. See, the eyeliner I'm wearing, I put this on earlier, like literally earlier this morning. So the eyeliner that I'm wearing is not working out. So what I'm going to do is take advantage of the new one that I have, and I'm going to go over it once I'm done with my eyeshadow. Because there's tricks, you guys. There's tricks on doing anything with your makeup. Like, don't feel like you need to stop yourself from getting things done when you're doing your makeup. Like, let's say for some reason, like, you added something first, but then you're like, oh my gosh, now I gotta start over. No, you don't. Trust me, there's ways, you guys. Don't worry. Okay, so let me clean this. Dude, I feel like I've been talking way too much in this video, you guys. I don't know. What the heck? But, I mean, what is it? If I don't talk, then you're gonna be like, girl, you don't even talk in your videos. Okay, so we've got the crease, we've got the transition color. Now it's so difficult though because I have eyeliner on, so I really have to like figure out what to do. I think because I'm literally like thinking like, because I'm like, I'm limited to space, you know, eyelid space to do my eyeshadow. I mean, but let's try. Okay, so let's see. I just finished with the Dusty Rose. I'm gonna go for, guys, I'm so tempted for that Plumberry, but I know that it might not look so good because I'm, you know, but let's go crazy. Let's just see what we can do. So what I'm gonna do is on the center of my lid, I'm gonna use Plumberry, and then the inner is gonna be Emerald. So let's do that. I'm gonna try that. Okay. Let's go wild. Let's go freaking wild. That's what it's all about in makeup, so. Oh my god, you guys. I'm living for this color. So I'm not gonna go into the crease because I don't want the transition color to go away. And don't worry about going on your eyeliner because you're gonna go over it right now, so. Oh my god. I think for the crease, I'm gonna use that terracotta. Not the cinnamon. Cinnamon's too dark. Let me go for a little bit of that terracotta. I'm going to the crease and gradually just literally like go towards the transition. Because transition you can really go as far as you want. So okay. Dude, that's looking bomb, you guys. Freaking nice. Okay, so let's clean the brush. Now we've added the Plumberry, so let's go for Emerald. So Emerald, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, I really gotta go into this thing. And we're gonna do the inner part of my lid. Guys, oh my god. That can go there. I mean, I really wanted to use this so bad. Like, I have an idea. These two colors were just calling me like, hey, you got to go. You just got to. Okay, so let me see. I clean the brush. And I'm gonna get some of the gold because extra, freaking extra. And go to the inner corner of the eye and just add it right to the inner part. Just the inner corner. Tap. Oh, oh, oh. Wow, you guys. Wow. And for the outer, I wanted to use the black, but I have eyeliner, so I'm not going to use black. I'm going to use the cinnamon color, so let's go for cinnamon. And we're going to use that for the outer, going into the crease. I am gonna grab a little bit of black though to help me out with the crease. Just a tidbit because this is strong. Oh my God. Yeah, I barely tapped the black, you guys, and this is like everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yep, but I think this is way too much. So let's go save it with the purple because purple is a little bit green. I really wish that you guys could really see how pretty this color is. Okay. Let's go with some concealer because I totally. Where did it go? Here it is. I'm not gonna use too much because I'm just retouching. So this is a Tarte Shape Tape. Shade Light Medium Honey. I'm going to spray some of my Fix Plus spray. And I always spray that on my sponge just so I can go right under. Guys, I wish you guys could really appreciate and see this because this looks just amazing. Just go on there. Setting powder. Get my e.l.f. setting powder here. Okay, you guys, I'm literally waiting for this color. Okay, now let's go into, I don't have much blush or contouring going on, so let's go ahead and, I'm going to use my angle brush. This is a contouring brush. That's my angle. It's a little fluffy, so it's a fluffy angle brush. It works. This job. I literally use it for like almost everything. So, oh gosh, it smells like chocolate, honestly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for the bronzer. But for the bronzer, I'm not gonna use my angle brush. I'm gonna use my blush brush, which is a lot bigger. These are literally. I got these a while ago at H&M, and they're bamboo, so like I really like love. They're so fluffy, so soft. So let's get this shade here in the shade of Crown. So, ooh, this is really strong. So let's go and, oh my God. So let's try to make up a 3. So you hardly have to use any of this because this is so strong. Forehead area. Oh my gosh. A little bit on my nose. Okay, so now let's go in with this brush, and so I just kind of want to test. I want to test it. This is like a, yeah, these are contouring shades, or more like. So we're gonna go with Enhance, and and I'm gonna grab some enhance and kind of like go under my eyes. Oh my gosh, this really brought out like a lot brighter under my eyes. Even though I've used a little bit of setting powder, kind of wish I didn't use that already, but yeah, this really does it. Like, yep, I love it. So I know I should have like not had like my makeup done already. You know, I should have just, but I was out and about earlier, so kind of had to improvise. So guys, this palette is really pigmented. Like, I hardly even touched it. I hardly even touched the shade, and it was like already picking up, like literally picking up. Like, let me show you. Okay, so this is the brush. There's like literally nothing on there. So look at this. Pass it once. Do you see this? It picks up so good, you guys. Like, I feel guilty for doing that because I already used some, and now I can't use this. Like, I have to like clean it off, and guilty. Okay, so let's get a mirror. I need a mirror because I'm going to use the eyeliner. Let's go to the Hank and Henry. Let's see what this does. Oh my god, like it goes on like if you were literally like painting or something, and like I can feel it, like it feels like wet. And then again, you guys, this is like really meant to like last you all day, and it's supposed to be matted, and yep, I'm blending for this. I like it. Oh my gosh, you guys, totally loving this. Yep, I'm definitely gonna buy this again. I would think Sephora would have all this, so I'm pretty sure Sephora has to have this stuff. Okay, so now let's go for the lipstick. Don't hide from me. So this is it right here, you guys. This is the shade Angelo 3170. So I feel like it's hot in here. Like, I'm not sweating or anything, but oh my gosh, it is hot. Okay, so let's do this. Oh my gosh, you guys, the smell just has me going crazy. Okay, let me just clean up a little. I should have put chapstick on before. I didn't. It's just I wore a different shade earlier. I wore one of my matte ones. I love wearing a lot of natural shades on my lips, and I also like to wear matted colors. Like, I love matte. You know, whatever is matte is just like for me. Oh yeah. This is literally like the shade I was wearing earlier. Everything. I don't know, I feel like, what do you guys think? guys like it? Is it too like me? Definitely, I don't know, for my skin tone, it looks really, oh gosh, it's drying super matte. Totally. This is more like a summer lip color, but I love it, you guys. Totally digging it. I could see myself wearing this. This is like a day color. I would say it's like a day color. Totally. Dude, this nail, my thumbnail broke. I just realized I saw that on the camera, and I literally had to like glue it last minute, and I was just so mad. Dude, you pay all this money and they freaking one day they just break. And I literally like got them done like not long ago. So let me just add some mascara under, just to give me some brightening and opening. I'm gonna use, where it is this. I can never find this pencil, like, and I always place it in the same area, but I can never find it. Is it this one? No? So it looks like it's not in there, so it's gonna be in here. Yep, it is. So it's my handy dandy, it's my Nothing On Modern Twist eyeliner, and this is in the shade Nothing On A26 by MAC. So let's open that up, and I always put this in my waterline. Okay, so for those of you who are probably wondering, or maybe kind of gonna comment down below about why my video is actually going longer, well, let me tell you why. I myself used to watch BOXYCHARM and BOXYLUXE unboxing, and I always noticed they're like only 10 minutes long. They just show you what they open, but they don't really go into it and try it on. And I'm just like, dude, I just want to see how it looks. Like, that's why I'm in here. Like, what did you get, and what it looks like. And they don't do that, so that's why I'm like all over it and doing this for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much my look. It looks more like a summer look, with fall colors, of course, with some fall colors. So these are the shades that came in with the palette. I am living for this, and you know what? I want to test this. Like, does this smudge? Yes, this one does. I think they all smudge pretty much. Yep, they do. But dude, look at this. Even smudged, they look gorgeous. Like, I'm loving these. Definitely, the eyeshadow look turned out good. I'm really digging this. Like, it was improvised, it was not planned. A lot of my video tutorials are not planned on the eye look. I just go for it, and I'm like, okay, this is what we're doing, this is what we got. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoy this look. I know I did. It's like literally popping. I am not gonna take it off. I'm literally gonna go out and yeah, show it off because I freaking love it. Like, I'm living for it, you guys, so much. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit the notification button if you haven't yet to stay updated for my next uploads. I'm going to be uploading a lot more this weekend. I have another makeup look, and don't forget that fall looks are coming up, so I'm going to do a lot more fall looks, and also going to be doing a lot of tutorials for Halloween looks. I know there's a video I have down already uploaded. It's a very short clip, but it does show a little bit of what I do for Halloween looks. But this time I'm gonna step it up a notch. This time I'm gonna step it up a notch, you guys, and I'm gonna actually do prosthetics. You know, add prosthetics. I want to do like a wolf look, vampire look, like, you know what I mean. I kind of want to use my son for a model, like, you know, kind of, you know, do stuff on him. I'm not sure yet if he's gonna actually allow me, so I don't know. But anyways, that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for keeping up with Jennifer Diane, and until next time, bye.